It's a daily. As you know, I got something really special coming in today. Fortunately, I can't install it today just because kind of late. Well, I wouldn't say it's late, but the shop that I got to take it to, they're about to close, so the only thing I can do is pick it up. But as you know, that code start never gets old, man. It's still loud. The only thing is, it's gonna get 2 times as loud now, and from now on, we're just gonna make it louder and louder as much as we can, maxing it out and increasing the horsepower as much as we can. Let's get started with the introduction. What is going on, y'all? My name's Julio. As you know, I have a 92 foxbody 5.0 convertible Mustang. The name of the Fox, I've been trying to debate on it. Tell me what y'all, comment down below what y'all think. So it started off with Snow White, but that kind of played out on me. I think the White Fox is actually a pretty good catchy name for this Mustang. So I think I'm gonna name it the White Fox. Like I said, comment down below what you think, and comment down below any other names that you can think of. I'm interested in knowing what other people think would be a good name for my Fox body. Back to the subject. So I actually ordered another part from LMR, of course. As you know, I'm not sponsored either, so everything's literally coming out of my own pocket. So I think here pretty soon I'm gonna make a YouTube video about like how much I spent on my car so far. Right now I'm at the office at my apartment complex. I'm gonna go pick up the package and I'm gonna get right back with you. So what is up, everybody? I got the package from the front office and I'm back here in my apartment in my room. What I'm about to do is unbox it. I'm gonna give out a little heads up about what it is. As you know, it's BBK. I'll probably talk in a different video as to like why I got this, but this is gonna be part of the setup I have going on. And basically, once you see what's in here, you're gonna know the kind of setup I have going on. I know, like, I've been debating back and forth as to whether or not I want long tube headers or I want shorty headers, but after this setup, you're probably gonna know why. So I'm going ahead and unbox the video, tell y'all what's all gonna be in it. I can't install it today just because, like I said, I got it at the last minute. The shop's closed, so on Monday I have an appointment after work to go get it installed right there and then. So I'm going to unbox the package and see what all it comes with, and for me it's gonna be like maybe a handful of minutes, but for y'all it's gonna be a quick time lapse. So give me a couple of seconds and then I'm gonna be right back with y'all. Also, one thing I want to include is pause the video and comment down below what you think this is. Guess what's in the package? I would give out like some kind of like free merch or whatever, but I don't have none of that going on yet. I want to sometime in the future, but not right now. Maybe when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I have like free merch or something like that, and do some kind of like competition or some kind of poll. Like when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I could do a giveaway of merch of what I have. But yeah, so I'm going to unbox it. Like I said, comment down below what you think I got in the mail, and let's see who wins. So one thing I like to include is, go ahead and cover it up. As you can see, not street legal, pretty badass is what I'm saying. And then I'm pretty sure somewhere in here it says like not California safe or something like that. Let's see, I think it's over here on the side. Yeah, here we go. And it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna cover that up. So that's pretty cool. Like literally when I bought this, it says we're not shipped to California. So it's pretty cool. But I'm going to go back to unboxing this video. Here it comes. This will be the new setup. This is what I got. So like I said, comment down below what you think it is, and here we go. So if you guessed it right, it was I got the 2.5 inch off-road H-pipe from LMR BBK. Now, as you can see, it's pretty long. So that means I got it for the shorty header version, because that's what I got on right now is the factory headers, which are shorties, which has to connect. The reason why I know, like I was talking about, like I've been in a huge debate whether I want to go long tube or shorty headers. The reason why I went shorty headers is because unfortunately with long tubes, they don't have the mid pipe that I wanted, the H-pipe. And the only thing that they had was the X-pipe catalytic version for the automatic Fox bodies. Fortunately, my car is automatic, so that's why. But luckily, LMR had the H-pipe setup that I wanted with shorty headers. So, and plus, like in the long run, it's gonna make like maintenance work on it a whole lot easier. So it's whatever, but hopefully it gives me the sound that I want. And the reason why I wanted H-pipe versus X-pipe is because I did some research. H-pipe gives it like this good old like old school muscle tone to it. It still has like deep rumble to it, while the X-pipe gives it more like a raspier sound. If you're a car fanatic, you know what I mean. Like it's literally like when people are like hauling ass down the street, you hear like kind of like a scream, like kind of like that. That's where the X-pipe's coming in. The H-pipe, from what the research I've done, gives it the good classic cars and adds some good deep throat to it. So that's what I got. When y'all see, I'm gonna like end the video for today because I can't install it. So here in a couple of seconds, you're gonna see me at the performance muffler where I went to go get my exhaust and they're gonna put this on for me as well. So in 3, 2, 1. What is up, y'all? So today's the day I get my mid pipes installed. I'm super looking forward for it. I'm so excited for it. Like, it's been forever, but it's been a couple days. Today's the day I have my appointment to get installed. This is his first reaction of the car with a new mid pipe installed. Focus on you a little. Zoom in. You ready, Daniel?
All right, let's hear it.
Yeah, you ready for the revs? Yeah, dude. You gotta hear me like going like down the street or something, dude.
Alright, but
are you ready? A couple drive lines.
oh my goodness, yeah. I can't explain that, dude.
Yeah, like, oh my god.
I really didn't think they'd make that much of a difference, to be honest with you.
Holy shit. I know, like, now I don't have to yell. But oh my god. And then, like, my rearview mirror kind of fell out hitting the bump. So I went ahead and ordered from LMR the new adhesive for the rearview mirror. But yeah, so guys, that was Daniel's first impression. That's like my 30th impression that y'all probably seen. That's never gonna get old. Those drive-bys are insane. Don't forget to subscribe, share the channel. Let's get this video content growing. Like, the next thing I got next is either my headers or my cam. I'm actually begging my dad right now to see if he can give it to me as like a 1-year early birthday gift, but if not, I got the money, who cares? It just, I like to save more money, but guys, I'm just so excited. I must say it's almost as loud as I wanted, but don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, and don't forget to leave a comment. Your boy's out.